Education prepares our learners so that they are ready for higher education for the relevant courses. But most importantly, we can't speak of creating employment when we are not creating employers. So part of where we need to intensify is the uptake or the intake of the learners into the economic management stream, but importantly on those that are relevant, particularly on accounting. Because part of the statistics before us, they show us that as government, we said, we will develop our economy through promotion of small businesses. But every 2 businesses out of the 3 that we established, they collapse. And the reason is inability to manage the businesses amongst our people. Good intention, but we're unable to make sense out of it because we don't have ability. But it can't be the case forever because we've got a well-working education system. We've got men and women that are working hard to produce the youngsters. So we've got to be deliberate. Because when you want to make a change, you've got to be deliberate and say, in the province of the Free State, in the next 20 years, this should be the number of entrepreneurs we would have produced. And that goes to our basic education, the foundation. And I was quite happy when the function of ECDs came to education, because something that people don't know, if you miss certain things in the ECD, it not only affects you till matric, but if you look at some of the students, even at the postgraduate level, how they are able to succeed either in master's or in PhD, it's got to do with how they've developed at a younger age. You find that a PhD scholar is struggling because he was not well prepared in terms of the grasp of the language, putting together sentences and so on. So as a province, you've got to be deliberate and say, our focus on the ECD, yes, it's still in the infancy stage, but it's got to be supported. Not only for the kids to pass, because it will affect all these other abilities, all these other plans as we really are moving forward. So the province of the Free State and the Freddy, we must produce entrepreneurs. We must be worried how many Freddy Kenyans we are going to produce on annual basis. For you to have employment, there must be someone we employ. And it don't happen naturally, we pray tomorrow.